Today I'm extremely happy to share this video with you because as you can see here I was making trades continuously right in a row. This one was refund and I think I made altogether 13 trades, and out of that 12 trades 11 trades were profitable, okay, as you can see here, and one was refund and one was loss. Whenever the loss happened I stopped trading for that day, and gladly I recorded that video, and I'm going to show you the unedited video where I am making this continuous trade and getting highest win rate while trading binary options. And this strategy is extremely simple that you can start to use right after watching this video. Unlike other parabolic SAR video that I already have uploaded in my YouTube channel, I have made a simple change in this parabolic SAR strategy and I was able to get this kind of result. You can also test this strategy in your demo account firstly, and if it is working for you at there, then you can start to use it in your real account. Okay, now I'll explain you the strategy, but before that, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature, then do join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there to start to copy my trades. Now see, the strategy is extremely simple. You just need to firstly make all of these OTC currency pair your favorite. Just make this stars yellow and it will start to appear at here. Once you do this much, simply select these candles and select the candle and select S5 time frame. So S5 time frame simply means these candlesticks are forming in 5-second time frame. Now just if it is flag, make it clock and select the S5. Okay, our trading time frame is also going to be a 5-second, and just decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. Once you do this much, then just come here at indicators and implement this parabolic SAR indicator. Once you implement this parabolic SAR indicator, you will see this kind of dots in the chart. Now previously what we used to do is, whenever the parabolic dots are forming above the candles, that means it is a downtrend, and whenever the second dot was forming, we used to make trade by clicking on lower, and whenever the parabolic SAR dot is forming below these candles, whenever the second dot was forming, at that time we used to make trade by clicking on higher. Now in this while making this trade, I made a simple change and I started to make trade in the third dot. So whenever this parabolic SAR dot are forming above the candles and whenever this third dot was formed, I used to make trade by clicking on lower. Now similarly, whenever these dots are below the candles, okay, and this third dot started to form, at that time I made trade by clicking on higher, and I was able to achieve this kind of result. I'm going to show you the unedited video. I'll not talk and show you that exact video, so watch the video very carefully and see at what point I was making the trades to achieve results like this.